Hello, good evening all. In this video, I am going to tell you how to manage blanket orders in Odoo version 13. For that, we have to move on purchase from the menu. For that, we have to activate purchase agreement types from the configuration. In order to do that, we have to go to settings and check whether the feature is enabled or not. If not, please click on the tick box and enable it. Then all the modules will be installed automatically, and go on to configuration and purchase agreement types. So you can see two options, call for tender and blanket order. Blanket orders are confirmed long-term orders for supplying specified goods for a fixed period or for a fixed quantity. Doing this will allow us to group purchases that would otherwise happen over an extended period and also receive discounts based on quantity. To create the agreement, click on orders, then purchase agreements, then you can see a create button, then click on that. Then you can see the agreement type, select blanket orders from the drop down menu, and then I'm going to choose a vendor. Okay, so I'm going to choose Gemini Furniture actually. Okay, then on the agreement deadline, we can set the deadline of the agreement on this vendor. Then you can also set ordering date and delivery date from the menu. Okay, under the section product, we can add a product by clicking add a line. I am searching here a chair. Okay, I am selecting office chair from the drop down menu. Here we can see the quantity, ordered quantity, and the unit price. I am going to add the quantity that I need to order overall for this blanket order. Okay, so it might not be individual quantities on each quotation. And then I am going to also add the price that we agreed on as well. Let it be 7. And then we are going to confirm the order, and we are going to see that this blanket order goes from draft to ongoing. You can see now the order is in draft, and when we click on confirm, the order will go into ongoing status. Now you can see the RFQ, that is request for quotations, is 0. So we create a new quotation. Alright, I see that the product was added and the unit price is also added, but not the quantity because I wanted to set that manually. And also here we can change the currency from the menu, or we can choose the any of these euro or US dollars. Here I am just select US dollars, and we can see the product but not the quantity here, so we can set the quantity. I am setting here at 20. So we can see the quantity is multiplied into unit price, and we can see the subtotal. Here no taxes are applied. We can also set the taxes from this as it's required. And now we are gonna save this quotation, and you can see that the quotation is in RFQ state, that is request for quotation. And when we confirm the order, the status will change it into purchase order. Okay, and also we can see that when we are going back to our agreement here, yes, you can see that the quantity is added. The ordered quantity is 20 and the total quantity is 50. Here it is updated. Before it is 0, now it is 20. This is because we are already set the quantity in the quotation is entered by the user, or it is entered by manually. Okay, hence it's completed. Here now the RFQ is 1. Previously it was 0, now it is 1. Okay, I'm gonna back to purchase agreements. You can see that the status is now in ongoing. We can also close this agreement by clicking on that and click on close. When we click on close, the ongoing status is gone to the closed. Okay, that's all about the blanket orders. Here is how to manage blanket orders in Odoo version 13. Okay, thank you.